Well, do you have a retail business? Is it flourishing, but are you still figuring out where to open your next store? Have you ever thought, अगर मैंने दूसरी जगह दुकान खोली होती तो शायद ज़्यादा बिक्री होती? What if we told you there's a smarter way to decide? रिटेल का असली गेम लोकेशन और कस्टमर की पसंद का होता है. But how do you know where your next big opportunity is? रिटेल मित्र is here to help. रिटेल मित्र is your business का असली मित्र. आपके हर स्टोर को सही जगह पर खोलने का स्मार्ट सॉल्यूशन. What does Retail Mitra do? It predicts which retail outlets customers prefer based on their past purchases, their product choices, forecast customer behavior, provide personalized recommendations, and decide where to place stores for maximum sales.
So hello everyone, I will be your guide and I will explain you and go through the implementation of a project. So first of all, a client will push all the data which he have in CSV or Excel file. Then he will click on the analyze button, and when he will click on the analyze button, the in the backend we have implemented a machine learning model in which we have used customer segmentation using RFM, which is recency, frequency, monetary parameters. We have used k-means clustering for feature scaling, and we have calculated the accuracy using sellout score. Apart from it, we have used sales-based forecasting using profit model because it does well on special event feature like holidays. Apart from it, for storage placement analysis, we have taken a data set which has various regions like north, east, south, west, and we have taken various key metrics like sales per customer, profit margin, customer count, sales, and based on it, the model will give the list of top 10 outlets which are best performing. Also, due to the prediction, there will be a map which will show the location of the next best performing outlets in which they can open up their franchise for maximum profit. Then we have a dashboard which is generally used for data visualization purpose. Then we have a special feature called as conversing with data, in which the analysis reports and insights will be generated for the user to read. One of our USP is a podcast based insight feature, which will be an interactive audio insight which will be generated based on the data, and the user can listen to it and get insights quicker and in more robust way.
ये सब तो ठीक है, पर ऐसा क्या खास है रिटेल मित्र में जो इसे दूसरे प्रोडक्ट से अलग बनाता है? रिटेल मित्र's biggest USP. It's not just a prediction tool, but a retail growth partner. Location intelligence. Based on our smart predictions, we pinpoint the most preferred store locations on an interactive map, so you always make the right move. Interactive audio insights. We turn complex data into engaging, interactive podcast like but bite sized content summarizing key insights in an entertaining way because smart business decisions should be effortless. आई होप अब आपको समझ आ गया होगा कि रिटेल मित्र सिर्फ एक सॉफ्टवेयर नहीं, एक गेम चेंजर है. रिटेल मित्र, हर स्टोर सही जगह पे, हर कस्टमर अपनी पसंद पे.